in your face like Mandark. Came a long way from the bad days way back, had to burn down that landmark. Seen some things I ain't really wanna see, it's all good, that's what made me me. Now who would I be if I had it easy? Used to break down, now I'm in a 350, like whoa, I've been laying way too low. Had to switch up and change my flow, cause I'm back from the block, had to bust the rocks and dust off the dust and get back in the box. Now why you wanna talk, you don't walk the walk, so when I pull up, pop off in the parking lot. Just kidding, that's not me. I say mean things that I may not mean, but I may be seen in a black LP, 610, 120 on the dash, no cap, cause I just made $1 million. I finally found my tempo when I'm back in the bag, and I bet you didn't get a memo. Never been a problem for me killing it, been a minute, but here we go again, I'll bring it back, I'm going mental. Been a long time since I made some flames, I had to cut a few.